So next, select circuit series. Series circuit. Parallel daw. So light bulb. Again, 3 pieces of light bulb. Breadboard. And then switch. Power supply. Power supply. And and let's set this up. Positive to positive, negative to negative. Change the color of the negative. Positive red. La. Row 3 and row 17. Oh no. Sorry, that's parallel. We're doing series circuit. I'll change this to red. Let's connect every light bulb to each other. And here, we're going to connect the light bulb to a negative. Change this to black. Yeah, that's it. In this series, let's start simulating. And here, I just noticed that parallel, they are only capable of 12 volts, 12. But here, they can go up to 30 volts because they are only sharing. We put this another power supply. So we have 2 power supply. So start this. 30 volts and 5 volts equals 35 volts. So if I higher this up, they will go boom, boom, boom. So that's series circuit.